Excuse me. Could I please sit here?
Oh, I'm sorry. My bag's on the seat. Let me move it.
Thank you so much. The bus is really crowded today.
Yes, it always gets packed around this time.
Do you usually take this route?
Yes, every morning. What about you?
It's my first time on this bus. I wasn't sure where to get off.
Don't worry. Where are you heading?
I'm going to Central Market.
That's just 3 stops from here. I'll let you know when we get close.
That's very kind of you. Thanks a lot.
No problem. It's good to help someone new.
Yes. People here are so friendly.
You'll get used to the crowd soon.
Hey Milan, what's your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is football. I love it.
Wow, me too. Football is so fun.
Do you play?
Yes, with my brother. What about you?
I play with my school team.
Who is your favorite player?
Cristiano Ronaldo. And yours?
Messi. He is amazing.
Ronaldo is better.
Smiles. Let's play and see who wins.
Hey, guess what? I'm planning a holiday trip.
Wow, that's exciting. Where are you going?
To the mountains. Fresh air, green trees, and no work.
Sounds perfect. Who's going with you?
My family, but my brother can't come.
Oh, why not?
He has exams. Poor guy.
Well, take lots of photos and send them to him.
Good idea. And when I come back, I'll bring gifts for everyone.
Even for me?
Of course, but only if you promise to like all my photos.
Good afternoon. This is room 405.
Good afternoon, sir. How may I help you?
I wanted to ask if housekeeping could clean my room a bit later today.
Of course. What time would you prefer?
Maybe around 3 p.m. if that's possible. I have some work to finish right now.
No problem at all. I'll let the housekeeping staff know.
Thank you. I just don't want them to come while I'm in a meeting.
That's completely fine. We'll schedule the cleaning after 3 p.m.
Perfect. Could you also replace the towels when they clean?
Yes, I'll make a note of that.
Great. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Is there anything else you'd like to request?
No, that's all. I really appreciate it.
It's our pleasure, sir. Have a nice afternoon.
What do you want to do in the future?
I want to be a teacher.
That's nice.
Thank you.
Why a teacher?
Because I like helping people learn.
Where do you want to live?
I want to live in a big city.
Do you want to travel?
Yes, I want to travel around the world.
That sounds amazing.
Yes, I'm excited for my future.
Excuse me, I ordered a veg pizza, but you brought a non-veg pizza.
Oh, I'm so sorry. This is my mistake.
Yes, I don't eat non-veg.
I understand, ma'am. Please forgive me for this mistake.
Okay, I forgive you. But please bring my veg pizza.
Yes, I will bring it quickly.
How long will it take?
Around 10 minutes.
All right, I can wait.
Thank you for understanding.
No problem.
Good afternoon. I'd like to book a flight, please.
Of course. Where are you flying to?
To Paris, as soon as possible.
Let me check. There's one flight at 5:50 p.m. and another at 9:15 p.m.
I'll take the 5:51. Is there still a seat available?
Yes, one in economy. Would you like to include checked baggage?
Yes, one suitcase.
All right. May I see your passport, please?
Here you go.
Thank you. How would you like to pay? Card or cash?
By card, please.
Perfect. The total is 220 euros, including taxes and luggage.
That's fine. Can I get a window seat if possible?
Let me see. Yes. Seat 18A is available.
Great. How long before the flight should I be at the gate?
Boarding starts 45 minutes before departure, at gate B6.
Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. Have a pleasant trip to Paris.
Hello, I need to pay for my car parking.
Sure. Can I have your parking ticket, please?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Let me check. You parked for 2 hours.
Okay, how much is it?
It's $4.
All right, can I pay by card?
Yes, of course. Please insert your card here.
Done.
Payment successful. Here's your receipt.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too. Hi, I want to rent a car.
Okay, do you have a driving license?
Yes, I have.
Can I see it, please?
Sure, here it is.
Thank you. It's valid. How many days do you need the car?
For 5 days.
All right, do you want a small car or a big one?
A small car, please.
No problem. Do you need parking space as well?
Yes, that would be good.
Okay, I'll include that in your booking.
Perfect. How much is the total?
It will be $200 for 5 days.
That's fine. Let's do it.
Great. Here are the keys. Have a safe trip.
Thanks a lot.
Hello, please put your bag.
Okay, here it is.
Please remove your laptop.
All right, here you go.
Take off your jacket.
Sure, no problem, madam.
Any liquids in bag?
Yes, only a water bottle.
Please take it out.
Okay, I will remove.
Step forward for checking.
Am I clear now?
Yes, you are clear.
Can I take bag?
Yes, you can take it.
Thank you very much.
Have a nice journey.
Thanks. Goodbye, madam.
Mom, can I please watch TV? Did you finish your homework?
Yes, I finished it.
All of it?
All of it, I promise.
What about your reading?
Done, even the boring part.
How long do you want to watch?
Just 1 hour?
1 hour? No way.
Okay, 30 minutes?
All right, 30 minutes is fine.
Yay, you're the best, Mom.
Remember, only 30 minutes.
Yes, Mom.
Hi, do you sell ice cream?
Yes, we have lots of flavors.
Awesome. What flavors do you have?
We have chocolate, vanilla, and strawberry.
I love chocolate.
1 chocolate ice cream for you?
Yes, please.
Do you want it in a cone or a cup?
A cone, please.
Here you go.
Wow, it looks so good.
Enjoy your ice cream.
How much is it?
It's $5.
Here you go. Thanks.
Good morning, sweetheart.
Good morning, Mom.
Time to wake up?
5 more minutes, please.
No, dear. You'll be late for school.
Okay, I'm getting up.
Go and put on your school dress.
All right, Mom.
And don't forget to brush your teeth.
I won't forget.
Breakfast is ready.
Yay! What's for breakfast?
Your favorite, pancakes.
Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome. Now hurry up.
Good afternoon. I dropped off my clothes here last week, but I can't find my order.
Sure. May I have your receipt, please?
Yes, here it is. It was a blue shirt and a pair of trousers.
Let me check in our system. It shows that your clothes were ready 3 days ago.
That's strange. I came yesterday, but they weren't here.
I'm really sorry about that. It's possible they were sent to our other branch by mistake.
Oh, I see. Could you please check for me?
Of course. I'll call the other branch right now.
Thank you. Those were my favorite clothes.
I understand. Don't worry. We'll find them. Good news. They're at our main branch. We can deliver them to you today.
That's a relief. Thank you for sorting it out.
My apologies for the inconvenience. We'll make sure it doesn't happen again.
I appreciate your help. Have a nice day.
You too, sir.
Hi, I'm here to see the doctor.
Hello, do you have an appointment?
No, I don't. Can I get one now?
Sure. What's your name?
My name is Ryan.
Okay, Ryan. Which doctor do you want to see?
I want to see Dr. Smith.
Dr. Smith is available at 4:30 p.m. today.
That's perfect.
Do you have your ID card with you?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. The consultation fee is $50.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, of course. Please insert your card here.
Okay, done.
Payment received. Here is your receipt.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Please wait in the lounge.
All right, I'll wait there.
The doctor will call you soon.
Hello? Is this customer care?
Yes, sir. How can I help you today?
My internet is very slow.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. Since when is it slow?
It's slow from this morning.
Okay, may I know your name, please?
My name is Raj.
Thank you, Raj. Can I have your phone number?
Yes, it's 99987346.
Thank you. Please hold for a moment while I check your details.
Sure, I will wait.
I checked your account. There is no problem in your area.
Then why is my internet slow?
Sometimes the router has a problem. Please restart your router once.
Okay, one moment. Yes, I restarted it.
Great. Please check the speed now.
Oh yes, it is faster now.
That's good to hear. Restarting often fixes the problem.
I understand.
Is there anything else I can help you with today?
No, that's all. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome, Raj. Have a nice day.
You too. Bye.